All right, this is another update for Apple. I talked about the confirmation and talked about that 144.20 pivot point, and that's what we actually opened around 144. Well, it's 144.05 to be exact, and we were able to maintain a positive move. Now the volume wasn't there, but here's some important things to look at. Okay. Again, this is a key pivot point. So before I get into the plan, let's look at a key point. So for example, we can see that there is more volume today. And so we did get more volume. No big deal. And the thing is some bullish things the stock has done, which has got above this day over here. There are pivots that we now the question is the next breakout point now, right? So it's one of those things where, as long as I believe, as long as we stay above, let's say, no more 143.80 to 144 area, this stock should be able to go and test this 148 area before maybe relaxing, right? And earnings are going to be the May the 2nd. Here's the earnings. See, May the 2nd. Apple set up to test 148 in a quick manner. The May 19 145 calls could be used. I'm already in this one. I entered today with some with the May 19 145 calls. I posted that on the stream. We'll see. I mean, we should be making profits, right? It's one of those things. This is a little bit of a tricky point, right? It's how well we really get through this 145.20 area. There's a lot of stuff happening. The market really reversed, and I had a video talking about how important Apple, Tesla, and Amazon were very strong while the market was weak, and I explained that in a video. It's a really great video to see. Let me show you what I'm talking about, people. People, see this video says why this buy will bounce. Apple, Amazon, Tesla are key. I posted this on April 15th. That was on the weekend, while the market was very bearish that week. And I posted some bearish plans. They didn't do very well. Some did well, FedEx, but didn't last very long. And you had to get out quickly. But anyways, regardless, those were bullish signs. Especially you want to get, especially with that France election. Anyways, listen. The fact of the matter is that we got even more clues. MCD did very well today. And MCD and Caterpillar did very well today. Anyways, back to the chart. So Apple needs to break above 145.20. This is another bullish pivot point to pass. Once we start trading above that level, we want to see power towards 148, right? It could get to 146. We may not get to 148. This is a good possibility. What I'm saying is this stock has the possibility. It's at a pivot point. We can push higher. We can also get more than this, but this is one target that I have, before earnings. Either way, there should be some profits in the options. So that's one thing to look for. So you haven't got into this, you may want to get in these. I also talked about the April 28 calls, the 144. But with the 145s, these May 19 145s are pretty close to in the money. And if we get that push to 146, 147, they'll make some good money. And again, if we get that push, right, and there is time, right? I mean, one could hold. I think that's on a Tuesday, the earnings. Let's see here. Yeah, the earnings are on a Tuesday for next week. So there's a good chance that this could they might give this a good pop, much like what Home Depot has done. But anyways, people, so there's a quick update. You can check out what the May 19th 145 calls cost. They haven't gone up that much, but I did post them in my other plan. So no need to post a plan for that. No need to look at the options. You can take a look what the options cost on the Yahoo Finance or in your brokerage account. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe. See the center Power Target Trade? It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. So there you have, people, a quick, great Apple update for Apple. Let's see how things go. I mean, it's in favor. We have the SPY back in the game. Again, a lot of strong stocks. Home Depot doing well. McDonald's, Caterpillar, all the kind of things that are, like I said, this market was in a bullish chop zone. Bearish trades didn't work very long. They do work still, but I mean, right now, it's back in favor of the long side. Some great trades. BBY, doing really good. I talked about that stock as well. That looks to do well. So let's see what happens, people. There you have it. A great update. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.